Is it time to buy or sell Porch Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Porch Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one amongst 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of May, 2025, our system has ranked Porch Group as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.53. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 114.33% since we first listed Porch Group as a buy candidate 66 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.73% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides in the center of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth within this trend is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 40% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from approximately 12% to 57%. In terms of the longer view, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of over 500%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 276% and 569% over the next year. This translates to a future price range of approximately $49.53 to $88.06. Our latest daily update for Porch Group includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Porch Group Inc. stock after gaining 2.33%. The Porch Group Inc. stock price increased by 2.33% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025. The price moved from $12.86 to $13.16 during that trading day. The stock fluctuated by 5.23%, hitting a low of $12.82 and a high of $13.49. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 1.64% during this period. Notably, volume increased on the last day alongside the price, a positive technical signal, with 570,000 more shares traded compared to the day before. In total, 2 million shares changed hands for approximately $32,060,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $14.34, while the lowest price was $1.05. Currently, the price is 8.23%, or $1.18 below the 52-week high, and 52.15%, or $14.34, below the all-time high recorded on the 16th of November, 2021, when the price reached $27.50. Porch Group Incorporated has recently made headlines with significant developments that could influence its stock performance in both the short and long term. First, the company is expected to report negative earnings for the second quarter, raising concerns among investors about its immediate financial health. The earnings report, scheduled for release today, has the potential to create volatility in the stock price. Depending on the actual figures compared to market expectations, on a positive note, Porch Group's Home Factors platform has driven impressive marketing results, achieving over 1,000% return on investment for a regional home improvement brand. This highlights the efficacy of Porch's technology in the insurance space, which could bolster revenue growth moving forward. Moreover, Porch has announced plans to enhance its Home Factors platform, targeting over 100 risk attributes by the end of this year, further enhancing its appeal to insurers. Their renewed partnership with Goosehead Insurance demonstrates strategic growth in insurance partnerships, which could strengthen its market position. In terms of debt management, Porch has been proactive, repurchasing unsecured notes, which not only reduces financial burden, but also indicates a commitment to improving shareholder value with limited dilution expected. These actions signal an effort by Porch Group to stabilize its financial standing while simultaneously investing in growth and innovation. Overall, The upcoming earnings report, combined with Porch's strategic enhancements and partnerships, could be critical in determining the stock's direction. Short-term fluctuations may arise from the earnings report, while long-term growth potential appears promising if the company successfully executes its strategic initiatives. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned PRCH a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned PRCH a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned PRCH an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned PRCH a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned PRCH an outperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Porch Group stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Porch Group. Porch Group Inc. stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected from the levels of $12.80 and $12.37. A breach below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 23rd of July, 2025, and since then, there has been a decline of 7.39%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly referred to as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 117 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 72 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflects a buy signal from 189 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Porch Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $10.88 and $10.65. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this instance, Porch Group Inc. finds support just below today's level at $10.88. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $10.65 and $10.10. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a robust trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 670 cents between its high and low, equating to 5.23%. For the past week, the stock has recorded a daily average volatility of 5.26%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Porch Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to factors outside their control. Nevertheless, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 13 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Porch Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Porch Group is at $13.31. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Porch Group encounters its first support level at $10.88. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Porch Group from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of June, 2025, Nigel Matthew conducted an insider buy of 129,848 shares of common stock. On the same day, Tabak Sean conducted an insider buy of 41,887 shares of common stock. On that day, Ehrlichman Matt conducted an insider buy of 291,112 shares of common stock. On the 11th of June, 2025, Kel Sean Davis conducted an insider buy of 13,135 shares of common stock. On the same day, Ryerson Amanda L. conducted an insider buy of 13,135 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 23.411. Overall, insiders purchased 3,104,512 shares and sold 1,550,404 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $12.43, reflecting a decline of 5.55%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is Porch Group stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Porch Group Incorporated stock to perform well in the near term. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 6th of August, we expect Porch Group to open lower by 330 cents and start trading at $13.16. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.